Hello everyone. Today we are on to chapter 2 and we are going to discuss two very important grammar concepts, phrases and clauses. So what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words that has some meaning but not the complete meaning. Like if you want to say something, the full meaning will not be delivered. For example, I am saying made of silver. So what is made of silver? That will not be clear to me. For example, I am saying made of iron. What is made of iron? What we are doing with it? Nothing is clear. So this is phrase of word, just a group of words which is not having complete meaning, and it will not have both subject and verb. That means in some sentences subject can be there, in some sentences verb can be there, but they will not be present together. Got it? We'll see some examples to it. For example, under the shady old oak tree the children sat. So here, under the shady oak tree, this is a phrase. So why it is a phrase? Because the meaning is not clear. Under the shady oak tree, what is happening? Verb is not there, only the subject is there. Similarly, in the blue shirt, here also only subject is present. We are not knowing what is happening in the blue shirt, what is the significance of blue shirt, nothing. The rope was covered with snow. Covered with snow is a phrase because what was here, verb is there, subject is not there. Covered with snow, verb. What is covered with snow? Not present. Made of gold. What is made of gold? Not present. So subject and verb together will not be there, and it's not going to make any meaning in itself. It has to be in a sentence, only then some meaning will be there. And then I'm just telling you in the upcoming sessions we will discuss type of phrases. So there are many type of phrases. First type of phrase is noun phrase, then in which we have a noun and then adjective. In part of speech chapter you'll understand what is noun, what is adjective, adverb, and preposition. So all these phrases are also there: prepositional phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase. Got it? No need of remembering it now, just understand. Then what is a clause? Clause is a group of word in which you have a subject, you have a verb, and it may or may not make a complete meaning. Okay, it may or may not make a complete meaning, but it has the subject and the verb. For example, see these example: people who pay their debts are trusted. If you see this sentence, who pay their debts, this is the clause. Why? Because in this, who is a subject, pay their debt, this entire part is verb. So both subject and verb is there. It's not a complete sentence and making or not making sense. Like who paid their debts, who paid we don't know, but yeah, we are knowing that it is they're talking about debts and some people are going to pay the debts. Got it? We cannot start while it is raining, so it here is subject and raining is verb. So this entire part, while it is raining, what is this? This is a clause. Next, I think that you have made a mistake. That you have made a mistake in this, you is the subject, have made a mistake is the verb. So, understood? In clause, you will have both the subject and the verb, but in phrase, at one time, one thing will be there, either the subject or the verb, and it will not make any sense. See, this is the difference tree which you can refer very easily. You can know the difference. In phrase, we do not have any subject or verb. At one time, you can have one, like you can have subject or verb, but you cannot have them together. Okay, but in clause, you have the subject and the verb together. In phrase, you have incomplete meaning, and in clause, you may or may not have the complete idea, but subject and verb will be there. Under the tree, so under the tree, what is under the tree? We don't know. Tree is the subject here. Under is the preposition here. While it is raining, so it is the subject here. Raining is the verb here. So I hope you're clear with the difference of phrase and clause. Next session will be about part of speech in this basic to advanced English grammar course. If you are liking this, please subscribe to channel, like the video. Thank you.